Welcome, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a new interactive brokers account. So for that we are going to go to their website and click here on open an account, start application. And now we are going to fill our personal data here. Username, let's put okay. Now for password, let's use this one. Make sure to comply with these rules, it's very important. And select your country. Sooner or later you are going to need to confirm your email address, so I am going to do that just now. Confirm. Okay. And let's see. I just received the email. Let's check here. Confirm email. Okay, it's done. Your email is confirmed. Now let's continue with our application. I am going to select here individual because most of our community are just individuals. So let's click start application. Sometimes it takes some time here. Now fill in your correct information here. This information might need to be verified later, so make sure that you fill in your correct information. Select a phone, date of birth, marital status, single, zero, tax residency. Okay. Identification, document type, alien identification. I am going to use this same number here. Make sure to verify that your ID have an expiration date. Employment status. For this I am going to use self-employed. Again, city. Nature of business. Let's say this. Okay, let's put here office manager. Okay. And source of wealth. I am going to use here income from employment. Then for account information, someone helped me notice that it is very important to put here USD as the options that we are going to trade are in USD dollars, so this is important here. These are just the security questions. What is the last name of your favorite politician? I don't like that question. What is the name of a school you attended? Let's say yes. And question 2, what was your childhood name? Let's put here Tito. Name a city you have never visited but would like to go. Let's say London. And let's continue. As you can see, it is asking me to verify this information. I am going to disregard this because it is not important now, and this is just a dummy account. Continue using this information. And now we are going to start the most important information so that you can set up properly your account. It is asking me to verify the phone number. I am going to not take this into consideration right now, but this will be later very much needed for you guys. So annual net income, on many scenarios that I did here, I found that at least it is needed to put 40 to 45,000 or something like that. So I am going to just do that. Net worth, something between this, and liquid net, something like this. I have verified that when you put a very small amount, it will restrict the account level that you will get. So just for you to take into consideration. And here I am going to select hedging, but it depends on your own objectives. Here it is very important to select that you have some experience, because if you select that you don't have experience, you won't be able to trade our strategies. So here I am going to say that at least 2 years of experience, that at least we are trading 26 to 50 trades per year, and do you have good knowledge? This is very important, not only for stocks, but we are going to do the same for options. And here select United States. These are the options that we are going to trade. We are not trading any of all the other stock options that are available. Okay, regulatory information. Make sure that you read properly this information, and if it's your case, make sure to select the correct option. In my case, both are no. How did you hear about us? I am going to put here search. Okay, it is the easiest choice here. Continue. Okay. Hold on a second, something is happening here that did not happen to me before. Margin. Okay, because we needed to select here cash account. It is very important, guys. Very, very important to have here cash account. So now let's try this again. Hold on a second, let's check what is happening here. Let's increase here the amount. Yes, I don't see anything different here. Good knowledge. And this one. For some reason it is erased. Okay. Now take a look. I qualified for a level 3, but we just need a level 2. Okay. So I'm going to select level 2. And let's continue. Okay, simply here it is asking me to verify some information and check the proper one here. In my case, I do not qualify for US tax treaty benefits, so I am going to select this one. And the same here, I agree under penalty of perjury that each certification above is true and correct. Make sure that you read all the information. Here the same. So in both cases, I am going to click yes, and I am going to sign here. Continue. Okay. Here you have to click to agree to all. The same here. Make sure, guys, you read every single information in these documents. At some point, it might be important. Again, sign here. Make sure that you don't use extra spaces like I just did, because it was giving me a curl, now it is giving me a check. Continue. Oh, this has been a smooth process. Okay, we're setting up your account. We're almost done, guys. Okay, let's see. It is creating. There is the bar here. Let's wait. Okay. Continue application. Okay, it is requesting me to confirm mobile number, verify identity. Let's avoid this as of now because this is just a dummy account. This is just for educational purposes. So what you guys do need to know is here how to subscribe to market data. So for these ones, we are going to select here non-professional because the costs will be quite different if you select professional. Make sure to read all of these. Do you agree that if the subscriber is a non-professional subscriber, he or she shall receive market data solely for his or her personal non-business use? Yes, and the same here. Okay, read this properly, guys. Continue. And now, this is what is important here, and this for market data. So we are going to use CBO1. We are going to use, what else are we going to use? Let me check. I use NASDAQ. Hold on a second. No Canadian. Futures level, CBOT, CFD. Futures, comics, not Mexican, Montreal, NASDAQ, New NYMEX. This one is important. This one is important. And this one. Okay. And that's it. This is needed so you guys can have real-time data when you are going to trade, either on demo or on a real account. This is going to be quite important. So now let's click continue. Let's check. Yes, we have all that we needed. Continue. And guys, I believe we have finished. Okay, guys, we're done. Make sure to confirm the other information that was required and anything that Interactive Brokers requires of you, but mainly what was needed to select the proper account and the market data subscription is covered in this video. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye.